ICC Champions Trophy 2025. Match number 2. Bangladesh versus India. Match played at Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai. Bangladesh won the toss, elected to bat first. Bangladesh 50 overs, 228 runs, all out. Bangladesh team best scorer Tohid Ridoy, 118 balls, 100 runs. Then India team best bowling figure Mohammad Shami, 10 overs, no maiden, 53 runs, 5 wickets taken. India 46.3 overs, 231 runs, lost by 4 wickets. India won by 6 wickets in this match. India team best batting scorer Shubman Gill, 129 balls, 101 runs. Then Bangladesh team best bowling figure Rishad Hossain, 10 overs, no maiden, 38 runs, 2 wickets. Player of the match Shubman Gill. Congratulations India cricket team.